DINO, and I had my hearing tested today. Hearing tests are done at the hearing center. While I waited for my turn, I played with lots of toys.
I'm ready to see you for your hearing test.
Oh, it feels funny. We went into a room and there were even more toys to play with. The nice audiologist looked in my ears with a magic torch and tickled my ear with a special machine. It drew a picture. For my hearing test, I played a fun game. I wore some headphones. Mom said I looked like a pilot. When I heard a sound, I put the blocks in the bucket. Some of those sounds were really quiet, so I listened really, really hard.
Yay!
We also played another game. I listened for some sounds and chose the picture that matched the sound. I had so much fun having my hearing test.